All you could do is do like what I'm doing right now. I'm so good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. Today we are going to make roti. Yes, we're gonna make roti that have for dessert and have with the curry. Let's go to the market and shopping for the ingredients. I need some all-purpose flours and some butter. This is like a local bakery. You can get mostly everything in here. I need margarine butter, this one, and I need all-purpose flours. Let me ask the owner if maybe she know the roti, the one that make roti. ตัวนี้ใช่ไหมเป็นแป้งอเนกประสงค์เหมือนกันใช่ค่ะ This one all-purpose flour. This one she said is better. Mostly the people that buy for making roti, the professional one using this one, or the other one is this brand. So the price different, but I'm gonna go with the professional set. Sugar in Thai is น้ำตาล. So we need 1 kilo. When you come to bakery in here, they buy like a big pack, like a whole or 100 kilo of sugar, and then they divide. For us, it's like 1 kilo or maybe 500 grams, so half of a kilo. This one is called น้ำตาล1 โล. Let's see how much this will cost us. 145 baht. Okay. Back to me, and here's is the ingredient what we got from the market. We have got banana, this one for dessert, egg, sugar, oil, Nutella, and this one is butter, margarine butter, salt, mozzarella cheese, and this one is the milk. Did I mention water? And this one is all-purpose flours and the gloves. So we're gonna massage the dough and we're gonna make a simple roti for today's recipe. We're gonna add our flours into the mixing bowl. Bear over here, my dog is cheering me up. Okay, mixing bowls, and we're gonna mix this wet ingredient together. We're gonna mix water in here, salt. Me. Bear was like, "Arr!" And here is the butter that I melt. Gonna mix this one up. It's a little bit windy because it's been storm lately, and I've been waiting for the weather to get better, but it's not getting any better. So it's just gonna do this style. A little bit dark here and windy, but I think this is gonna be a very good video. Okay, and now we're gonna add this mixture into this mixture. Make a little hole in the middle, creating a hole, and then add out mixture. And kind of like stir them a little bit. And we're gonna mix this one together. These flours, I already shift them one time. Shift the flours so they're smooth and not lumpy. You're gonna mix all the ingredients together until they're soft. I had done the roti before, and the hard part is the flipping part. This part is very easy when you got all the ingredients together. This is very easy part. When you keep massaging it, the dough will be wet. Don't add any flour on, and just keep continuing to massaging them until now you still you can see like the texture is still a little bit rough. You need to be a little bit smoother. I reckon maybe 8 to 10 minutes massaging the dough. Now the dough is ready. How do you know this? Is because it stops sticking to the bowl, and now it's like smooth, but not that smooth that we want it to be yet. We're gonna rest the first batch. The first rest, we're gonna rest for 30 minutes. But before we rest, we need to apply the butter around the bowl and underneath. And we're gonna let it rest for 30 minutes. Cover it up and we will see you in 30 minutes. It's raining right now and my seat is wet, but I'm still enjoying this. Weather's so nice. Raining season. Alright, it has been 30 minutes. We're gonna massage the dough again, and then we're gonna massage the dough for 3 minutes and let it rest for 10 minutes. We're gonna do this over and over 4 more times. Wow, the dough is so easy to massage now. 3 minutes. Keep massaging it. Is actually this bread, this dough are very easy to make. Very easy. The ingredients under the descriptions if you want to make this one. If you don't have margarine butter, you can use your plain butter, or if you use the salted butter, then don't add any more salt. We're gonna keep doing the same thing, which is we're gonna apply the butter around underneath, and then this time we're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes, and we're gonna continue to do this massaging, let it for 10 minutes for 4 more times. I will see you guys then when the time is up. Look at the sky, guys. It's 4 p.m. but look at the sky. We're gonna move our stuff and we're gonna be filming inside instead. Yep, we're gonna back filming inside. Just keep everything back in my shape. Ooh, lightning. Bye-bye. Moving inside my house in the living room, we are going to divide the dough. We're gonna massage first for a little bit, and then we're gonna make it into a little bowl. And then we're gonna add this in this container in the box. This is my lunch box. And then we're gonna let it rest for 1 hour. Moving inside the house, it's getting dark. The storm, you can hear the storm raining hard. It's not supposed to rain today, but yeah, that's what happened at the moment in Thailand. Now we're gonna grease our tray over here with the butter. Grease it all over. And now we're gonna divide the dough. We're gonna try divide one 60 gram and one 40 gram and see which one worked the best. This one is 60 gram. I'm gonna try the one with 40 gram. 60. Let's say this is 40 gram. Tucked it in. This one 40 grams. The moment of truth, here is our dough, but this is not it. We have to let the dough rest for 1 hour, more than 1 hour even. So be perfect if you wanna do it now and then leave it overnight. Don't put it in the refrigerator, just leave it out, and in the morning you cook them. So we're gonna rest them in my lunch box. Apply margarine butter on the box like that, and now you can put oil or margarine. Just smooth it like that, just smooth it so it won't stick together once it rises. So now we're gonna let it rest more over here. Be like very generous with your butter. Ready for ตีแป้ง we call ตีแป้ง we call flip. We're gonna flip the dough, and here's the dough that been rest for 1 hour. Oh, look at that, it's getting bigger. And to doing that, this table is clean. I clean it nicely. I'm gonna drizzle the oil in here, a little bit in here, and we're gonna get one dough, and then make sure our hand is so oily. Use the palm to press the dough, and now we're gonna shift the dough. We see if I can do it. If you can't do it, I don't know how to do it either. All you could do is do like what I'm doing right now. Spread this one. Actually, this one is good. This one is perfect. Look, this is this cake here. You can do this, shape it up, and ready to go to the pan. Okay, I'm gonna lift this one up, and we're gonna go fry them. Fry them in the little pan. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna use this wok actually. Turn it on medium to high heat, and we're gonna add oil. We use the oil first to make it crispy, and then actually I saw the lady, she used a lot of oil. When we have roti, the roti lady, she put a lot of oil, and then she will add the margarine later, the butter later. Let's just wait for the oil to heat. Meanwhile, I need to like cover the pan with an oil first, all over. Maybe more, because I want it to be very crispy. Okay, I think the oil is hot now. I'm gonna take some out, leave some in here like this much, and we're gonna put the roti in. Here's our roti. I don't know why it's sticky. It shouldn't be stick up there, but then it's okay, I can. And then more oil, because it keeps stuck over here. And then the margarine. And she also put one underneath. Now it's time to roll the edge to make it circle. Try to make the perfect circle as much as I can. Ooh, look at that. This is the crispy part. Now just wait a little bit. Ooh. We're gonna take it out. Take it out. Do like this to drain the oil out. Oil and the butter. There's this rest over here. And now put it in the plate. When I went and buy, choose this one to cut it like this. If it's crispy, you can cut through just like that. See? It's very crispy. I like it. I like it so much. This one is original one. Extra condensed milk. And then sprinkle with sugar. It's like the condensed milk is not enough. We add sugar. Test. Now diabetes happen. I want to try this part. This piece. Oh, I think I'm going to use my hand. Excuse me, I'm going to use my hand. I'm so good. So crispy. And look at this. Still, oh, the perfect amount. I can open the shop. Not to brag, but you guys should try this recipe. I'm dying. This is so easy. Anyone could do it. Literally anyone could do it. I feel like this will go to my cookbook, and every time when I have family coming over and I want to do something like activity together, this is the go-to things to do. Like you can cook for you can prep this thing for lunchtime, and then you can have this one at like dinner time or early snack before you have your dinner. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make roti 5-way. 5-way, what is it 5-way? Way number 1 is original one, just like this. Number 2 is cooked with an egg. Like Thai people have two options. Like most popular for Thai people is to have the basic one like this and the one with an egg. And then the tourist one is Nutella and banana. And I'm gonna do the one with the cheese. And the last thing is the curry. So I'm gonna show you how to make roti different from this, but using the same batch of roti. This is gonna be the one. But tomorrow I'm gonna make the one with the curry and the dessert. So you guys stay tuned in the next video. I hope you guys like this video. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.